Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity comes to you. With monthly craft kits delivered to your door, discover the perfect blend of art and functionality with our painted candle and clay holder craft kit. Dive into a world of creativity as you paint vibrant designs and sculpt eye-catching clay holders. Transform ordinary candles into stunning centerpieces and express your unique style. Craft alone or with loved ones, creating memories as beautiful as your creations. Ignite your creativity and illuminate your world with our craft kit today. Inside your kit, you'll find a set of 8 acrylic paints, your dotting tool, some alcohol wipes, your lemon yellow Fimo clay, and 5 white taper candles. You'll also find your step-by-step photo instructions and a little something for your pinboard. Ensure that both your hands and work surface are clean before starting to work with the Fimo, as any dust or debris can adhere to the polymer clay. Begin by opening your block of Fimo and dividing it in half. Each half will be used for one candle holder. To begin with, your Fimo might feel quite firm, so you need to condition the clay. Condition the Fimo by working between your hands for a minute or so to make it more pliable and easier to work with. Simply squeeze and roll the clay, folding it every so often. Roll your clay into a long cylinder, aiming for a length of approximately 25 to 30 centimeters. Make sure it is an even thickness all the way along. Take your clay cylinder and carefully wrap it around your candle to create a candle holder. Feel free to shape the clay in any desired way, but ensure the holder provides adequate support for your candle to stand upright. Repeat this process with the remaining half of the Fimo block to make a second candle holder. You can create a matching pair of holders, or to make each one unique. Carefully transfer your candle holders onto an oven-proof tray. Make sure you don't distort your holders at all while transferring them. Bake in the oven at 110 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, following the instructions provided on the packaging. Once baked, allow the holders to cool completely before handling. Take your candles and wipe with an alcohol wipe to prepare the surface. Squeeze out a small amount of your first paint color. You can also mix the paints to create your own custom colors. Mix the yellow with a touch of yellow ochre for the lemons. Use the dotting tool to paint on your first color. Start by making oval shapes in yellow for the lemons, using the larger end, then add a small dot at either end of the lemon. Use plenty of paint on the tip and move in a circular motion to distribute the paint. Place in a candle holder and allow to dry before adding your next color. Next, mix blue, red, and white to make a light purple for the grapes. Use the small end of the dotting tool, make small dots next to each other, creating an upside-down triangle shape. Repeat this process to create your other fruits, such as strawberries, oranges, and cherries. Allow each fruit color to dry fully before painting on the next. Finally, use the dotting tool and different shades of green paint to add details like stems and leaves to each of your fruit. You can also use the dotting tools to create other designs and patterns on your candles. Make flowers by painting dots in a circular shape, then add a dot of yellow in the center. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.